Making a wallet, we are going to need a plain white paper and a glue. So we are going to start it. So first we have to take a plain white paper. Then we have to fold it neatly like this. So it can open like this and close. Then we have to take one side and we have to turn it like this. Like this from here to here, and then this part at the back. This is ready. After that we have to just take the middle part and just open it. So like it was like this, then it is like this. So after that we are going to open one side, open this side, then we have to fold it like this. Now this is the middle line. Now this was the middle line, and now we have closed this and this is open. So still from the, now we have done like this, and this on this line we have to just take a paper, take this part and just fold it till this line, this. We have folded it and one more fold like this. Neatly. So now it's like this, 1, 2. So after this, and this is closed, so you have to turn it. Now it's like this. So after that, from here you have to just fold a little part like this. So let me fold it. So it's like this. On the other side also we have to fold it. Now it's folded from both sides. Now you can see this middle line. We have to fold it like this from the middle line, neatly and nicely. So see, this is fold. So we have to open this and just apply glue, apply Fevicol on this part which we have folded. So I am applying it now. So I have applied this. So you have to just fold it from here. I fold it, and now from here. So we have to just, I have one more plain white paper, so I can just press it because the Fevicol can come. So it will be neatly done. So it sticks from this side. Some Fevicol came out, so I am just removing it on one paper. So I have pressed it from here and from here also. Now it's sticked neatly. So after this, you have made till this, you have sticked till this. Now like this, here, okay. Then from neat, we have to just fold it like this, like this. Now it's open from here and it's closed. So we can draw anything here. So we can draw anything, or we can draw like this emoji, like this. I have made one more like that. So after that, first we are going to make this lines, dotted lines. So we can make it with a pen or with a sketch pen. So I'm using a scale and a pen. So I've made this dotted lines using a pen. So after that we're going to make an emoji. So first I am going to use a pencil to make. So this time we are going to draw light. Means the pencil will not get me. So after I'm going to use a pen to do it neatly. So it's ready. You can see it. Let's open. I have a book, so you can just put it here, and you can see it. I'll fold it. If not, so you can keep money in this. Right, then it will fit neatly. It's ready. Bye.